Hey everybody, I'm just getting ready to leave the office. Before I do, I just got a phone call and I want to make a really quick video. If you just got one of these kits in the mail over the last week, or you were emailed a digital copy of it, I know these things can be confusing, they're thick, there's a lot of information in there. In the kit, as you open it up, the first thing that you're going to find is a business card. This is either going to be your account manager that's been working with you here at MultiFamily Traffic's card, or my card if you're working with me personally. Call the number on the card first. We are more than happy to walk you through everything. Don't try and figure this out on your own. There's pages and pages of good stuff in here, but it's a lot easier if you call us to go through it. So, whether you got a digital copy or a hard copy, call us. I'll give you my number right now. If you don't have one of these and you want one of these for your property, we'll get it for you. It covers all of the keywords that renters in the market are searching for, where you show up on Google for all of those top terms. It also covers all of the business listing services. We research over 100 business listing services. It's all in this big fat kit that's going to help you get 10 times more traffic. I'm kind of creepy there. 10 times more traffic and 10 times more leases. So call me if you just got your kit. I want to walk you through it. Call your account manager if you're working with them, or if you don't like them. But they're great. But if you don't like them, you can call me as well too. Or if you need a kit, call me 303-803-7372. Till next time, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in apartment marketing. I'm going to get out of here. Cheers.